Can you smile?
Can you smile? Kathy's like, I'll smile. But
Reese is reading to you, Kate.
is this a video?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Can you turn the page and read the next page?
You want to read the book too? You like the big book. She likes the big book.
That's a good book. It's called I Want a Sister. Ha! Reese, can you read that book to Kate?
Oh yeah? Animals on there?
Mm-hmm.
I love books, girl.
Is your hand stuck, Reese? It's stuck? Oh, you got it out. What are you eating? Nuts. Katie doesn't want your nuts. Giraffe. Yep.
Okay, look at what I brought them.